or too long, many men have accepted declining performance as an inevitable part of aging. But the truth is, your body has incredible potential to regenerate, adapt, and thrive even after 50. One of the most overlooked secrets to stronger, healthier erections lies not in a pill bottle, but in the power of movement. Your blood vessels, muscles, and pelvic floor hold the key, and today, we're unlocking that door together. These 5 powerful stretches aren't just exercises, they are daily rituals that reignite blood flow, awaken dormant muscle fibers, and restore vitality where it matters most. Each movement strengthens the foundation of your intimate health and sets the stage for long-lasting confidence and control. 一键帽 Pelvic Bridge Activation. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, tightening your glutes and pelvic muscles. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly lower down. This simple stretch strengthens the pelvic floor, improves circulation, and builds the base for firmer, longer-lasting erections. 二键帽 Hip Flexor Stretch. Tight hips can choke blood flow to your lower body. Kneel on one knee, with the other foot planted in front. Gently push your hips forward while keeping your chest lifted. Feel the stretch deep in your hip flexors. This releases tension, restores mobility, and opens the pathway for better oxygen and nutrient delivery. 三键帽 Seated Forward Bend. Sit with your legs extended and gently reach toward your toes. This stretch lengthens your hamstrings, boosts lower body circulation, and promotes flexibility in the spine and pelvis. Over time, improved flexibility means improved blood vessel function, a key factor in erectile strength. 四键帽 Butterfly Stretch. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outward. Gently press your knees toward the floor while keeping your back straight. This movement releases the inner thigh and groin muscles, enhancing pelvic blood flow and reducing stiffness that often develops with age and inactivity. 五键帽 Standing Quad Stretch. While standing, pull one foot toward your glutes, keeping your knees close together. This stretch activates the quadriceps and improves overall lower body mobility. It's a powerful way to keep your pelvic alignment balanced, an essential component of optimal erectile function. These stretches may seem simple, but their impact is profound. They awaken your core, enhance vascular health, and retrain your body to perform at its natural best. When done consistently, they help restore energy, confidence, and power without relying on quick fixes or shortcuts. Now is your moment. Don't wait for change, create it. Dedicate just a few minutes each day to these 5 stretches. Let this be the turning point where you stop settling and start strengthening. Your health, your confidence, and your vitality are worth every second. Stand tall, move with purpose, and reclaim the power that's always been yours.